Skatta. Suck your mother, youth. If I never cartel, me go me yard. When me could have me and chronic law out the door for 3 hours. I want me could have hold down the native them. Don't do that to we youth.
Them a Popcaan. All like corrupt people them in a state.
You can tell Skatta and Poppy thing are going over 2 years now, but here the man them is not a big man. Them it's a personal thing. It's an event that one put that aside. After the event, when you go back to beef. Just normal out in the procedure. Make the thing run smooth. Them on one call stall, man. They show what one really break off so much, brother. When they say, go this and show how I look after 2 because of them and them unruly behavior. Come on, man. And them on the car side too. Can't look good, them have too much feelings. True what I go and Skatta even say man in the hospital and man of this normal out, brother. This is an event. Me play for my community and not for my teammate. Me and them not agree. But yeah, you see once we got training from enter the training compound, we are friends. But when we exit the compound, it and a friend again. But guess what? Some of them man don't mature enough.
Them want management. Proper management. No licky smarty where everything them say for do you do. You say, yo, me nah do this. I mean, they want to manage some of them, man. Me don't want to manage some of them.
Well, me see up right there, Popcaan basically take the spotlight right off of your friend Cartel. So, if you're a real friend, you do something like that, you angle that backstage in a professional way. And take it to the stage and use the mic and I tell the whole world, so the man must go test his mother. You take the spotlight away from your friend. I don't understand him out here still, but I think Popcaan a little bit too high for me still. I need to tone it down a little bit. I kind of see a little self-destruct going right there. Yeah. Hoping can work it out.
Him go on live already now, and I'll tell Sharon Burke and the whole of them too, you know. Lord Jesus.
Highly unprofessional burger. The mother this and the mother that when them go on it past stage, highly unprofessional. Yes, them have them differences, personal differences. Deal with it one away, no man. The man not let you in the venue for 3 hours. They go talk to Joe and talk to Skatta, tell them say not like how them deal with you. But if you come past stage and disrespect the man mother in front of how much thousands, hundreds of thousands, probably millions of people, highly disrespectful. And the man come out and say his mother hospitalized and his mother very sick. And what the man do, the man come back on social media and go say, mother. I'm thinking, no man, you have a mother, you have a sister, you have family. You don't want nobody to disrespect them so on the highest level, no man.
Hey, let me tell you, let me just be truthful. If me and my eater in your eat, me don't know where your mother there. It's a common phrase where people tell people in Jamaica. So me not have time for know if your mother there hospital or not. Me be truthful. Me not tell you say them for utter it. Me not tell you say the utterance is right. But me not have time for you to tell me after the fact where your mother did it. Me not me eat. You have to know as a promoter too. The man them integral to the show at 2 top artists. You must know your lineup too. Find a way around this stuff and work it out amicably. See that now? No people are telling them have a beef long time. So is it because you know say you integral at the show to use your power? Was it the time for you to use power right there so I use the quorum? What is it? Me not have time for know if your mother in the hospital or not. May I be truthful. You get me? So if you anger me, I go, you follow me, I go. You follow me, I go. So not tell me for the fact say your mother in the hospital. I mean, I tell you say there's no right. I mean, I give a man no right to tell you about your mother either. I'm saying sometimes you have to just assess the situation and the damage control. You have an event, and if you know say you have them outside for 3 hours, you know how them behave at it. Is it that you hype on them outside and man feel like you style them? What is it? Them not book for the show. Them book feet, but them book feet not. A cartel boss, Poppy. So when them book feet, yes or no? Them him and cartel now no beef. Him and cartel now no beef. So you're not supposed to hold him back. Me don't know what it is why you hold him back. So me not go into the argument. But not tell me after the fact say about the hospital. If a man mad him out, tell him about her. So don't come after and tell us that she the hospital. We don't have to do. He may tell you the same thing too. 10 more times. But after you come so now, and you know let them in so long and them come and go past stage and them let out them anger past stage. You know what's them head at. Why you not go bother with the proving thing? Let me tell you what you do. Lock off the mic then if I so, which you can't do. Because you know you're going to the cartel so. Why you bother going to get physical backstage to me here? Because you come by the live and say, you get physical. I'm on count about my mother sick of my mother after that. Where you go touch man for? You get me? You don't know where I got me already. A proving thing now. The thing gone to a different level now. You get me? Push the business a dog fight, you know. So I don't do all my birthday greeting. Hey, I'm in a business somehow, you know. Because I don't know what to somehow know out the road. I tell you the truth. Because it come like, I don't sit too much around, you know. I don't know how to learn. I don't know how to learn. So, you get what I say? Because me hear some speech, I say, John, I just want to send to. Because you see, me as a man, me beat hard. I don't look no glory, I don't look no hype. Because when you even come past social media now, I have to say, boy, my mother in the hospital, you know. Me know where your mother is. Me even know your mother. My mother in the hospital, you know. Me not going to really take them when I tell me about my mama. Right? And I'll take them disrespect there. If you hold out the man them so long, for what? It can't work out, call Joe then. If you can't deal with it, call Joe. Joe, you deal with it. I said there now. I said go. If you can't deal with it and you don't have the patience to deal with it, call your boss. Call Joe money I spend. You get me? Call your boss. Say, Joe, you deal with this because I can't deal with it because I feel like them want me and them inner things, you know, so. Let me allow this. You deal with this, Joe. You get me? Joe said, okay, guys, I can't need all of you, but you come, just tell you, come. You know, Joe, I feel money, I feel production. You get me? Me not say, sometimes I know certain things are going on with ego or wound. When I think I look at that, people spit by me. People spit by me, you know, like a sharp boy, you know. Me take it. Because Cartel said them never touch my button. Because if you not touch me, you know, as short as me be, kill me. Me not back from the now, no. I can't tell you that. And me not preach no badness. But me I preach integrity. You know, me papa. I try to put it on me. Oh, because I can't fight to them, I can bite to them on the foot like that. If me tall and can't thump on them, I go up on my ground and I go bite to them on my foot like one dog. It argument done. So all I want to hear him I say now, if you say, oh, my mother in the hospital, and you bring down your voice, you bring down your tone, you done do an act already. Them say what them say, and then you go come so now and make it get physical backstage to me here. Right? I don't want to go there so with my argument, because I don't have any proof, but me here. You get me, I say? So I don't want to come by national with and say that. You say me those things myself. So, but in the same breath, I heard you saying on social media, boy, my mother, you know. My mother in the hospital, you know. I'm not going to take a man of disrespect my mother, you know. So, me did that fit. Him tell you what him do. Him tell you what him do. And him tell you what him feel like to do. You never hear that part there. Him tell you what him do, you know. And him tell you what him feel like to do. That is wrong. You can't be incriminated for those things. Anything happen to the artist, you just incriminate yourself. Listen to the whole speech. People don't listen to the speech and don't listen to the part, but the mother part alone. That's when the SHI is something gone up in the ceiling already. You give me that part there. You get what I say? It don't get out of hand, you know. So right now, yo, if I say, analyze the whole speech, not analyze part. Not analyze part. Not analyze part. Analyze the full thing now. And everybody had a peer proving thing are going out there, so. Peer proving. And everybody go prove. Everybody say, oh, me and them boy, you know. A peer planning are going on, you know. When you go to church, stand there. A peer proving thing are going on right now. You get me? Me ain't nobody camp, you know. Oh, me ain't nobody camp. So they all right. Me tell you all the while now. Me ain't nobody camp. So me push the business in a dog fight. Telling all the while. Where you say, sir? Where you say?
Real thing, brother. But the man carry man on that stage. I got deal it, man. Hear him, man.
Under the part, you know, him said that. But him also said something more incriminating. Oh,
Burger, and you know what? You see, even if man did not go make it slide, you see the speech there, as what you say, about when me coulda do, that I gonna make the thing escalate.
Alright, I want me to
Even
feel
more.
like for
Yeah,
you.
man.
Oh, at that point, me to feel like me that. Listen to that. I don't know play a thing. Let me tell you this, you know. Let me tell you this. Ghetto mentality. Hey. That's why some come on with their money running for uptown girl. You can't have some ghetto girl and them run you. Let me say, Mr. D, go on up. Excuse me. You have to know them language. You have to approach them. When you're in a garrison, not feel like such you have a strap, you run down on a boy or back door on a boy and say, boy, you feel like. Now, feel down, you know. Not do that. You're just dead. Can't back gun pan people. Come on, I go and say, you know, there's no boy back gun for me. That alone make you go dead. So some people, you can't do certain things or say certain things like you try hyping it. A ghetto mentality this. You know, do certain things. If you're not the garrison, you're back up on a farm man, you never shoot him. You never even promise a shot. You just stand up so and have it in your answer. I say, boy, I'm not afraid of you know. Once him see it, man, I'm going to shop up, man. I'll come back for you. I did, you dead. I did, you go dead. Worse if you know nobody. Not do certain things. Not do certain things out of hype. Not say certain things out of hype. Not promise people things. Get the people out of sense. I get to me come from too. So me say, we not a sense. As somebody would just get sensible, but we not a sense. I know me not this somebody, but me are telling the truth. I want different mentality.
Right now, that is a trick to Popcaan right now. I know Popcaan and the entourage about go. Yeah, man, you know that. Go. Let me tell you this, yeah, man.
And it's not Popcaan and the entourage, you know. I'm going to tell you that straight, you know. This thing, bigger than all that now, because you have some idiot out the road and say, yo, that boy there, every this the artist. And people take up your problem for them head too. Me tell you, say, I eat that out the road, you know. You have some man where don't know Popcaan, we're going to take up the problem for them head. And who like who and who feel like who more relevant than who. I go side with who. I saw this thing go.
Yeah, man, Mr. Berger, him say, him could have murder him there, so. Once I say that, you can't reboot again, no. You can't nobody take it back, no. You can't nobody say it again.
Alright. So all who go hear the motherline. All who go hear the motherline, me listen everything. You said me attack, me tell you, when me take out my belt, you know, me beat. Which means, when I say that, I don't have mean that literally. It means that I go analyze the thing to its fullest. And I go deal with it in fairness. You know, me not give them the right to go past years and carry the show into anarchy and descent into, you know, me not give nobody no right. Me not back nobody over nobody. Come on, man. Foreigners there. And you never see that tell man about them mama. You think Popcaan bad? You think Popcaan bad? And when Chronic Law take the mic, me not think Justice maybe I'll carry that mama there again. She try. That the mama they try after Chronic Law done. They better go pee to the house. Because she not use again when Chronic Law they done to that. May I take a break? Me so come.